Okay, and now here we have this is the Raspberry, isn't it? We connect it to this source of power, and then we connect here through the laptop, as you guys can see it here. And then we have this Pixhawk, see, connected through the laptop also. Like the Raspberry and the Pixhawk, they have two different sources of power, you know. So everything that I'm trying to do didn't work. Just come with the mouse link one down, isn't it?
Yeah, link one down.
Link one down, as you guys can see. Just come here. Okay, now we're gonna try to fix it. The only thing is very easy. Holy fix. Just gonna change the source of power. Move this one here from the Pixhawk from the laptop. See, just remove it, and we connect it to the Raspberry. Okay, everything's okay right now.
You can remove the serial port, the other connection source.
Okay.
And this guy is not
okay,
needed.
It's not needed. If you're using a USB, it's not needed. You can even move it or leave it. It's up to you. And now we're gonna try it again. As you can see here, we're no longer having link one down. We're having online system one. That's pretty easy how to solve this. Just a video how to show you how to make it.